LegalZoom has helped over 4 million people start businesses. But if you search for reviews, you'll find everything from best service ever to I got charged for things I didn't know I signed up for. So, which is it? Here's the truth. Both experiences are real. The difference comes down to knowing exactly what you're getting, what to skip, and what to watch for during checkout. And that's what this video is for. I'm going to give you the most honest, detailed LegalZoom breakdown on YouTube. The real costs, the things they don't tell you on the pricing page, who it's genuinely best for, and the exact moves that save you money without cutting corners. Hi, I'm Stacy, and I'm with LLC Buddy. We research and review LLC formation services full-time, every major provider across all 50 states. We dig into the pricing, the fine print, the processing times, the checkout flow, and the actual customer experience. We've been doing this for years. Alright, let me show you everything about LegalZoom that matters. And I do mean everything. LegalZoom has been around since 2001. That's over 2 decades. They're publicly traded on the NASDAQ, ticker symbol LZ, which means their financials are audited and public. They hold an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and they've earned a 4.3 out of 5 on Trustpilot from over 24,000 verified reviews. Now, here's something most review videos won't tell you about what that publicly traded status actually means for you as a customer. On one hand, it's a massive trust signal. This company isn't disappearing overnight. They have real offices, real employees, real accountability. If something goes wrong with your filing, they have a 100% accuracy guarantee and a 60-day satisfaction guarantee to make it right. On the other hand, and I'm being straight with you here, being publicly traded means they're under pressure to grow revenue per customer. That's why you'll encounter upsells during checkout. That's not a shady practice, it's just how the business model works. But knowing this going in means you'll be prepared, and you won't accidentally add things you don't need. I'll show you exactly what to skip in a few minutes. LegalZoom has 3 packages: Basic, Pro, and Premium. I'm going to tell you what's in each one, and what's not in each one, and what the pricing page doesn't make obvious. $0 from LegalZoom. You pay only your state's mandatory filing fee, which ranges from about $40 in states like Kentucky up to $500 in Massachusetts. That fee goes straight to the government. No one can waive it. With Basic, you get your articles of organization prepared and filed, a name availability search, and access to their customer support team. Here's what Basic does not include, and this is where people get surprised. No operating agreement, no EIN, no registered agent, no expedited processing. Those are all things your LLC will need. So, if you pick Basic, you're choosing to handle those yourself. And you absolutely can. I'll show you how. But you need to understand that going in. Because if you end up buying those as separate add-ons during checkout, you could easily spend more than the Pro package would have cost. One more thing about Basic that almost no one mentions. Processing time on this plan can be slower. LegalZoom's standard turnaround is roughly 5 to 14 business days on their end. But then, you're also waiting for your state to process. Some states are fast, a few days. Others like New York or California can take weeks. Add those together, and you could be waiting 3 to 4 weeks total on Basic. If you need your LLC sooner, say to sign a client contract or open a business bank account, that matters. This is the package I think makes the most sense for the majority of people. And here's the math behind why. For $249 plus your state fee, you get everything in Basic plus an operating agreement template, your EIN filed for you, a business licenses and permits guide, tax and insurance guidance, and a financial account authorization letter. Now, if you bought the operating agreements and EIN as standalone add-ons on the Basic plan, you'd pay roughly $99 for the operating agreements and $79 for the EIN. That's a total of $178 in add-ons on top of a free plan. Pro gives you those, plus the extra guides and the authorization letter for $249. It's just cleaner. Pro also includes a 90-day trial of their bookkeeping tool. Here's the detail you need to know. After 90 days, it auto-renews at $9.99 a month. If you already use QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and even a spreadsheet, you probably don't need it. Set a calendar reminder for day 85 and cancel if it's not adding value. I'm telling you this now because most people forget and get surprised by the charge 4 months later. Premium is everything in Pro plus a 30-day subscription to LegalZoom's business attorney plan that gives you unlimited 30-minute consultations with a licensed attorney on new legal topics related to your business. After 30 days, it auto-renews at $49 a month. Let me put that in perspective. A single hour with a business attorney independently costs $200 to $400. Premium gives you 30 days of unlimited half-hour sessions for $50 more than Pro. If you have even one serious legal question at formation, how to structure a multi-member operating agreement, whether you need a specific license, how to handle an existing contract, that's a massive deal. But if your LC is straightforward, single member, no complicated questions, you will probably not use the attorney time. In that case, Pro is your move and you save the $50. Don't buy premium just because it's the top tier. Buy it because you actually have questions that need a lawyer. Here are 4 things no one tells you. Number one, the operating agreement in Pro is a template, not a custom document. For a single member LLC, a template is usually fine. But if you have partners with unequal ownership stakes, different capital contributions, or specific exit terms, a template might actually create problems if you treat it as done without customizing it. This is precisely why Premium's attorney access exists. Use those 30 days to have a lawyer review and customize your operating agreement. That alone could be worth thousands down the road. Number two, LegalZoom support team will ask about your business before answering questions. This isn't them being nosy. They're qualifying you so they can offer relevant add-ons. Number three, the 60-day satisfaction guarantee covers LegalZoom service fee, but not the state filing fee. So, if something goes wrong and you want a refund, you get back what you paid LegalZoom. But the money that went to your state Secretary of State, that's gone. This is standard across the industry, not a LegalZoom problem specifically. But it means you should triple check every field on your formation documents before submitting. A typo in your registered agent's address, a mismatch in your LLC name. These cause rejections, and some states charge the full fee again to refile. Number four, none of the 3 packages include a registered agent. I know I've said this, but it's the number one thing that surprises people. So I'm saying it again. Every LLC in every state needs a registered agent. LegalZoom's registered agent service is $249 per year. You can be your own registered agent for free if you have a physical address in your formation state and you're available during business hours. But your home address becomes permanent public record. For privacy, a paid service is worth it. LegalZoom isn't the cheapest option. I'm not going to pretend it is. But for specific people in specific situations, it's genuinely the best option. Here's why. Example 1. The first timer who values peace of mind. You're a solo freelancer, say a graphic designer, filing your first LLC. You've never dealt with state forms, EINs, or operating agreements. You could probably figure it out yourself. But you don't want to risk a mistake that costs you time or money. You want someone to handle it and be there if something goes wrong. LegalZoom's Pro package at $249 handles your formation, gives you an operating agreement, files your EIN, and gives you a support team you can call 7 days a week. Add the registered agent at $249 per year if you want your home address off public record. Your year one total with an average state fee comes to roughly $630 all in. You get a proven platform, real support, and everything filed correctly. For the peace of mind of your very first business, that's reasonable. Example 2. Partners who need clarity. You and a friend are starting an e-commerce business. You're putting in 70% of the capital. Your friend is putting in 30%. You need an operating agreement that reflects those contributions, spells out profit distribution, and covers what happens if one of you wants to exit. Here's where this gets critical. In most states, if you don't have an operating agreement, the default rule is a 50-50 profit split, no matter who invested what. Your $70,000 investment gets the same share as your partner's $30,000. An operating agreement prevents that. And LegalZoom's premium package at $299 gives you 30 days with a licensed attorney to customize that agreement properly. One attorney consultation could save you a 5-figure dispute later. Third example, non-US resident forming a US LC. You're a developer in India, a consultant in the UK, or a digital nomad based in Europe. You want a US LLC, usually in Wyoming, Delaware, or New Mexico, for payment processing, credibility, or asset protection. You absolutely can do this, but there are extra steps. You'll need a registered agent in your formation state. No way around that. And you won't be able to use the IRS online EIN tool. Instead, you'll need to submit IRS Form SS4 by fax. Yes, fax. To 855-641-6935. And processing takes 4 to 8 weeks. Factor that into your timeline. LegalZoom handles the formation and registered agent, and the premium attorney access can help you navigate tax obligations of running a US entity from abroad. By the way, that fax number for the IRS, I just saved you an hour of searching. That's the kind of detail we keep updated at lcbuddy.com. The full guide with all these specifics is on the page below this video. Here are 5 myths about LegalZoom. Myth 1. $0 means free. The zero is LegalZoom's service fee. Your state filing fee is always separate and mandatory. Budget for it. Myth 2. LegalZoom is just expensive for no reason. If all you need is a basic filing, there are cheaper options. But if you value having attorneys, trademarks, compliance tools, and estate planning all under one roof as your business grows, that ecosystem has a real value. You're paying for a platform, not just a filing. Myth 3. Once my LLC is formed, I'm done. Most states require annual reports. Some charge franchise taxes regardless of revenue. California's minimum is $800 a year. Miss a deadline and your LLC can be administratively dissolved. LegalZoom's compliance calendar sends you reminders before those deadlines. That feature alone can save you from a dissolved LLC and a pile of late fees. Myth 4. You have to form in Delaware or Wyoming. For most small businesses, your home state is the right choice. Form elsewhere, and you'll likely need to register it as a foreign LLC where you actually operate. That's double the fees, double the annual reports, double the compliance. Wyoming and Delaware make sense for holding companies and investor backed structures. For a local service business or freelancer, usually not. Myth 5. All LC formation services are basically the same. They're not. What you're really comparing is what happens after formation. Who can you call when you have a question? What happens when you need a trademark next year? What about attorney access? LegalZoom's post-formation ecosystem is the broadest in the industry, and for a growing business, that matters more than saving $50 on the initial filing. If you decide LegalZoom is right for you, let me walk you through checkout so you don't overspend. This is the part I wish someone had told me. Step 1. Pick your package before you start. Decide between basic, pro, or premium based on what I just explained. Don't make this decision during checkout when you're already in the buying mindset. Step 2. During checkout, you'll see add-ons. Expedited processing for about $99, a business website package, an operating agreement review, a founder's kit. Some of these are useful. Many you can skip. The EIN? If you're on basic, you can get that yourself for free at irs.gov in 5 minutes. The online tool is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern. If you try on a Saturday, the system is just off. Don't panic. Step 3. Set 3 calendar reminders right now. Reminder 1. If you have the bookkeeping trial, day 85 to evaluate before it renews at 9.99 a month. Reminder 2. If you have the attorney plan, day 25 to use your remaining consultations and decide whether to cancel before it renews at $49 a month. Reminder 3. Your state's annual report deadline, which you can find on our state guide at lcbuddy.com. Step 4. Triple check your formation documents before submitting. Your LLC name has to match your reservation exactly, including punctuation, spacing, and abbreviations. Your registered agent's address has to be perfect. A typo here can mean a rejection, and some states charge the full filing fee again to refile. One careful read through before clicking submit is worth its weight in gold. Here's the full cost picture. Screenshot this. Most people watching this will be best served by Pro, plus a registered agent. That's about $630 year one with an average state fee. Not the cheapest. But you get a complete, correct LC formation with real support behind it. And if you go through our link at lcbuddy.com/LegalZoom, you may find special pricing or seasonal discounts. We keep that page updated. Here's your full action checklist start to finish. Pause and screenshot. That's everything. You now have a more honest and detailed breakdown of LegalZoom than most people who've already paid for it. The full written review with updated pricing, state-specific details, and the link to get started is right below this video and at lcbuddy.com/LegalZoom. If you found this video genuinely helpful, subscribe. We do deep dive reviews like this every week on the services, tools, and decisions that matter when you're building a business. I'll see you on the next one.